Hi there, good morning. Ria here from Maisie Moo. I just thought I'd give you a quick video on how to assemble one of the two different styles of vaccination card holders. So I've put together from your requests two different styles. Now I've designed these so that you've got a generous outside edge for gluing, because I know most of my customers do prefer to glue than sew. You can, if you wish, sew. The instructions that are included with the template are not for sewing though, they're for gluing. So today, as I tend to do in my videos, I use hot glue, but if you're looking for something with extra holes, you've got your E6000 or your super glue, I recommend using whatever suits your materials. So I'm going to glue around the edge and pop down the window first. Now I've just cut this from, I've actually cut it from one of my sheets that protect my purple mats. It actually works fine. If you're wanting to make these to sew, you might want something a little bit more robust. So you can go on Amazon, or you can go into your local stationery shop. Sometimes I know with my boxes, some customers use the transparent folders that you get, paper, like they're paper folders, or sleeves. Sometimes if you can find a product that isn't actually made specifically for that use, it can be cheaper. Right, so we've popped that down. Now we want to stick the back on. So the idea here is you want to leave enough of a gap for your vaccination card. So the hole is the 3 by 4 inches, which is going to be kept in place by your, well, I've done that a bit wonky, but you get the idea. Kept in place by the backing, and you also got the snaps, which I did put on beforehand. You can see you've got one facing so that it will fold over. You'll see once we assemble it. Okay, so you want to just come down and do a U shape. You're leaving the top of this open because you need to be able to get the card in. Right, because I'm using hot glue and it dries so fast, we're going to just do one side at a time. But really, if you were using the E6000, you can move it around. You've got a little bit more time. And here we go. And it will dry overnight if you clip it. There we go. All the way around. You have to excuse my glue gun too, it's looking a bit minky. Here we are. Right. Okay, so you want to remove all your bits of... So, I don't live in America. I think you can guess that from my accent. And here in New Zealand we haven't got vaccination cards, but I'm pretty sure they'll be coming in soon as they roll out the vaccinations here, especially if we want to travel again. So what you want to do is you tuck in your card. This one has just been printed off, but I've made sure it's to the right size. If you're going to be using any hardware, I mean, this is just a keychain, or you might want to slip a lanyard through this, but it's been designed so that all you need to simply do is fold over the top. Here we go. Pop that in there. Okay, so you can clip that on. You can funk it up with different types of fabric. I've used two corresponding fabrics. Now this is a very similar style, but what I've done with this one is just left a hole open for you, so it's up to you. I've also included the straps, so you can do, as I say, corresponding, and you can pop a I've got holes in those so that you can pop a snap in, and again, whoopsie, that goes through here and it will give you a loop. So you've got a loop, but that's up to you. Basically it's that straightforward. Now if you were going to sew them, I suppose you would want to sew your window on first on the underside, and then you're going to sew around the edge here, but you'd leave this open. Okay, so I hope that makes it nice and clear. I'll be popping them on shortly, and you'll find the listing on my Etsy page. Thanks for watching. Bye.